Here we go. Yeah. Ugh. High spots unboxing. Yeah. Alright, so as you guys saw, I have a high spots unboxing. And the different unique thing about this package is I don't know what's in it. They were having this sale. PWG DVDs are usually $14, and they're having a sale $17 for 4 random PWG DVDs. And I took advantage. I don't know what kind of PWG DVDs I'm gonna get, but hopefully they're good. So let's open this up. I also had $3 in from ordering from High Spots before, so I think it came out to be like $17 shipped, which was good. So yeah. There we go. Got it open. Alright, hopefully we got some good stuff in here. Paper. Not gonna look yet. I'm really trying not to look. I'm just looking at the receipt. Yeah, see? There we go. Let me cover this up. Jeez, I don't want to show you my stuff. But 4 mystery PWG DVDs, $18.98. Good deal. Alright. So I had to take a look here. WrestleCon 2016. Not sure if I'm going or not. Sting trading card. And starting it off, album of the year. Probably the best. So yeah, PWG. Got El Generico, Claudio Castagnoli, Colt Cabana on the cover. You got El Generico, the champion, versus Davey Richards. Claudio Castagnoli versus Rocky Romero. Carl Anderson versus Colt Cabana. Joey Ryan versus Top Gun Taylor. I don't know who that is. Phoenix Star versus Nemesis. TJ Perkins versus Ronin. Frankie Kazarian versus Disco Machine. Plus bonus DVD commentary. This is before they were in Reseda, California. So yeah. First DVD. Right here. Alright. What is it? Here we go. We got Chris Hero on the cover. Joey Ryan. Jack Evans versus Chris Hero versus Necro Butcher. Singles match, Austin Aries versus El Generico. Brandon Bonham versus Davey Richards. Candice LeRae versus Joey Ryan. That's gonna be because they're a tag team now. Scorpio Sky versus Hook Bombry. Scott Lost versus Mikey Nicholas. So you got that. Cool. I just saw the other DVD. Fear of Black Planet. You got Colt Cabana. I know him from The Addiction. I forgot his name right now. So let's read the match card. Joey Ryan versus Frankie Kazarian. Chris Bosch. Yeah. Chris Bosch and Scott Lost versus B-Boy and the Human Tornado. Mr. Wrestling Kevin Steen versus Scorpio Sky. Alex Kozlov and Ronin versus El Generico and Quicksilver. Excalibur versus TJ Perkins. That's gonna be cool to watch. I never seen Excalibur wrestle. Yeah. So here it is. And the last DVD is Battle of Los Angeles 2011. Right here for you. Got Finley, Kevin Steen, El Generico, Claudio, Willie Mack, Chris Hero, Roderick Strong, and I forgot his name on the cover. And the matches: 2011 Battle of Los Angeles, first round match, Willie Mack versus Chris Hero, Claudio Castagnoli versus El Generico, Dave Finley versus Mr. Wrestling Kevin Steen, Eddie Edwards versus Roderick Strong, Johnny Goodtime and Johnny Yuma versus Joey Ryan and Scorpio Sky, plus the semi-final and final rounds of 2011 Battle of Los Angeles. The Young Bucks defend the World Tag Team titles and more. So cool. So, a rundown. Battle of Los Angeles 2011. Fear of Black Planet. It's It. What is it? And Album of the Year. So, those are the 4 PWG DVDs that I got. Gonna be cool watching them all. And, yeah. That's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a like. Leave a comment down below. And until then, I will see you in my next video.